All right, guys, 2026, and I'm dropping yet another video about Texitcoin. You might ask, why are you doing this, Mr. Fi? Didn't you say in your last video that that would be your last video? Indeed, I did, guys. In this video here, I did a recap on that. And in this video, I was talking about this graduation program Bobby Gray is doing, the fact that people are asking questions about protecting investors, and Bobby's like, nope, I'm not gonna do it. People asking about their assets, he's like, they're all in my name, he can do with it whatever he wants to. That was my ending recap, and I was just gonna leave it there until you got this troll that came through, uh, my little pet Kirby here. He wanted to leave a comment because I mentioned in this video that that was going to be my last, and he's like, good, I hope that's the last video you do. What a piece of crap this is. He calls it crap, but clearly other people that have a brain find value in this type of content. And this Kirby guy says you have zero clue about TXC. Bruh, I have done videos on this over the past 3 months, so I have a better understanding without being invested in it than you could ever have. This is just another crap project in the world of crypto that I am extremely familiar with, but you don't have a clue. Because note this, guys, this loser right here, this Pat Kirby, um, he says, why even post this? Let me explain to you why I post this, man. And it just so happened that someone just left me a comment in this video here. So I had to pull this up, and I'm gonna refresh it. It says 12 minutes ago. Let me refresh this so you guys can see how soon this comment was actually left. And I get these things in my notification. So they pop up, and this is a new user that I've never had or come across before. And he said, thank you, Mr. for the information. So in answer to your question, Pet Kirby, that's why I do this, to warn new investors about the risks associated with this project and about the founder, Bobby Gray. So let me go on and give a quick reply. I'm going to say, my pleasure. I'm assuming he's got, but I'm going to say, my pleasure, Red. That's exactly why I drop these vids. Glad it was helpful. Blessings. So that's why I do these videos, and that's why I did these videos. But going forward, guys, like I say, I'm not gonna waste any more time on Texitcoin because I actually have enough videos out here in my playlist to cover everything you want to know about Texitcoin to date, right? And things are only going to get worse, guys. Um, and also about this Pat Kirby, I want you to see a trend and a pattern that these trolls have. When you look, he says you have zero clue about TXC. If I click on here and I see he left a comment before, check this out, guys. I click on this comment, and this is what he said. He leaves another comment a month ago on this video, and he says, you're a moron, sir. You have zero clue what you're talking about. He says the same thing here a month later. But I opened the door for him to elaborate on that, guys, and he can't. I said, your mama, don't just come and post blanket statements like that. Drop some facts. What exactly do I have zero clue about? Please share if you can. Otherwise, people reading your comment will see who the real moron is. These guys come and drop comments, guys, and cannot verify or prove and look in a video and say, hey, he's wrong here. Let me elaborate on that. Notice that they do not do that, even though I open up the opportunity for them to do so. Okay, so if you actually come through and read the comments, you'll see that these are nothing but trolls, people that Bobby's either paying or people that are invested in the project, and they're upset because they invested their money, they're losing money, and they're mad at me for exposing the fact that this is a crap project, right? So that's why I'm leaving this other video, because my little pet Kirby here wanted me clearly wanted me to post another video. And am I obsessed with Bobby? Absolutely not. Am I obsessed with getting you guys making real money in the crypto space? Well, yeah, to a certain degree. But it's your money, right? You know, if you choose to waste your money in crap projects, hey, by all means, go ahead and waste them. Now, one of the other things I wanted to elaborate that I mentioned in this video here, guys, is that Bobby Gray, when he started to ban Texit Raider, I did a video on this. I said Texit Raider versus Bobby Gray, and this is all in this playlist here. And I warned you guys in this video, I'm like, if he does it to one person, he's going to do it to everybody else. And I was trying to motivate you guys to speak up. And I think like 1, 2, 3 people actually spoke up in those Zoom calls. And I gave you a platform in this video here. I'm like, hey, even if you're afraid to speak out, create your just a typical YouTube handle and drop your information out here. And if you have questions that you want to address, I will address them in my videos, right? And some of you guys did drop some information, some comments out here and things, but very few people spoke up in those Zoom calls. And because you guys did not speak up, Bobby was emboldened to just start cutting all you guys out. And I warned you about this. I told you Bobby Gray is a narc. He's an incompetent leader, and he's going to do whatever you guys allow him to do. Keep in mind, guys, he could do nothing in this project without you. You guys are the ones that have the power. Nevertheless, 90+% of you are sniffing behind his butt, afraid to do anything, afraid to speak out, and everything else, like a cult. And even though I'm not saying that, you know, you have people that read the comments that are saying exactly that, right? And feel free, guys. I mean, I'm not coming out here posting all these comments, but when I left this one here, this is interesting, guys. When I said Texit Raider versus Bobby Gray, someone came out because Bobby Gray said that Texit Raider gave some death threats and stuff like that. Just a complete lie. And I shared that in this video. And this user here came out and said, so my question is, what did Jonathan do elicit that kind of response from Bobby? I know that Texit Raider didn't do anything like make death threats, but this was a question that Texitcoin miner had. He says, I've never met either one of them, but my experience has been that Jonathan was always very arrogant, rude, and condescending on Telegram towards other miners who were not in his network, including myself. Frankly, he was an a-hole, and I don't miss his snide remarks. I'm glad he's gone. And my response is, which is a respectful response, you know, hey, we're just out here communicating. He's not coming out being disrespectful on my channel like some of these other trolls are. So I give him a reply and I say, that's a great question, but only Bobby knows the real answer to that. Guys, it's exposed. The real answer is Texit Raider was not falling in line with what your dictator is telling him to do, right? Because now that you guys have questions and you drop those questions in one of those Zoom calls, he's now banning you. Think about this, guys, and understand that I warned you guys about this a long time ago. And this is the same pattern of behavior that Bobby Gray did back when he had Mulligan Mint. All you have to do, guys, is do your research. Understand who the character is behind it and know that he has not changed at all. So I continue on and say that death threat remark was complete BS in an attempt to avoid answering the question of why he banned Texit Raider months ago, right? How's that for transparency, I asked. In my opinion, I think Jonathan got banned because he started commenting on my videos, validating some of the things about Bobby that I was warning people of. I can't speak on how Jonathan behaved in the TG. I think that's supposed to be in the Telegram, but I've never logged into because I've never logged into a session. But my experience with Jonathan has been completely different than what you've described. But if you got receipts, feel free to show them. See, we're always trying to get down to the truth here, guys. All right. From my perspective, he's one of the coolest guys I've encountered in the Texit Coin community. Perhaps it boils down to different strokes for different folks, but the main point of this video was to showcase what a turd Bobby Gray is. Dude uses, abuses, and discards people when he finds no other use for them. And if Bobby Gray is a turd, everything he produces is a POS, piece of crap, as well, including Texitcoin. I'd say that Bobby Gray is the one that's arrogant, rude, and condescending, and completely incompetent as well. And I don't say this to insult Bobby, although I couldn't care less if he took offense to it. But I say it to warn people who is behind this Texitcoin project. And with leaders like this, Texitcoin is destined to fail and leave a wake of losses in its trail. This is you guys, especially you guys that are investing in it now or later in the project. Some people see this, they wake up, they understand it. And even in some of these comments out here, guys, I noticed Antoine 13 days ago left a comment. The only people who are benefiting are the early adopters. New investors are the ones at risk. I think the creator, I didn't get that 9-pack. I thought for sure this could have been a solid project, but greed is its own reward. So this again, guys, is why I do these videos or why I've done these videos. So this right here could very well be my last video unless these trolls want to come out here and post some more. Because if you guys give me incentive to keep coming and talking about Texitcoin, trust me, I will. Right? I have the time, liberty, and freedom to do so. Right? So if you miss me that much, I'll come back and I'll check out what's going on in the world of Texitcoin and what's going on with Bobby. But at this stage of the game, guys, Bobby is destroying Texitcoin from the inside out. He doesn't even realize it, and many of you guys don't realize it either, right? All right, so with that said, guys, I am going to end this video, but I'm going to end it with this. Every time I've dropped a video about Texitcoin, my subscription base on my channel increases. I'm not out here to get a major YouTube channel, to get some subscriptions and things like that. So all of you guys, I appreciate it, but all you guys that have followed me because you have an interest in Texitcoin, I encourage you subscribe to Texit Raider's channel. Okay, so here you are going to get the realest deal, and he just dropped a video this morning, a couple hours ago, starting off 2026. So if there's anybody that's really honest in Texitcoin that's going to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and he's in it himself, I encourage you to follow his channel. So if you've subscribed to my channel on the basis of Texitcoin and that's what you're really interested in, go and check out Texit Raider's channel. Now, I know there's a group of you also that have subscribed. You're now getting into our Bitcoin wallet. So if that's your thing, definitely stay tuned and continue to subscribe. Stay subscribed to my channel because this is where you're going to get updates in here and in the forum as well. Okay. And I think that's all I got for you in this video, guys. I warn you, new investors, you might want to just stay away from Texitcoin. I'm telling you, it is not in a good state right now. And the way that Bobby is doing things right now, it's only going to get worse. All right, peeps, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.